What if I told you the next pocket camera might destroy DJI overnight and nobody is ready for it? This is the leaked Insta360 Luna Ultra, and honestly, this thing looks insane. Just a few days ago, leaks started popping up online, and not just rumors. We're talking actual product stickers, specs, even stock sightings, meaning this camera is real and almost launching. And here's the twist. This isn't just another pocket camera. It's Insta360's direct attack on DJI. First, dual lenses. Yeah, two cameras in one tiny body. A wide lens plus telephoto with real 3x optical zoom. That means cinematic zoom without losing quality, something most pocket cameras can't do. Second, insane video specs. We're talking up to 4K at 240 FPS with 10-bit color. And third, AI stabilization on a gimbal, meaning buttery smooth footage even if you're running or vlogging. And get this, it might even have a rotating touchscreen and modular design, basically turning it into a mini cinema rig in your pocket. But here's the truth. This is still a leak. No official launch yet, no confirmed price, just strong evidence it's coming very soon. So is it fake? No, the company Insta360 is legit. It's a real global camera brand used even by NASA. But this specific model, not officially confirmed yet, so don't pre-order from sketchy sites. If this leak is true, this might be the camera that finally beats DJI. Would you switch or stay loyal?